Installing your grips. Many components on your Bullitt are customizable, and these parts come in the C1B box. In here you will find your grips, stem, seat post clamp, saddle and head badge. For this video you will only need your grips. You could have one of three kinds of Larry vs. Harry grips: lock-on grips, eBullitt grips, or silicone grips. To install them you will need rubbing alcohol or hand sanitizer for silicone grips, a rag, a 2.5mm hex key for lock-on grips, a 3mm hex key for silicone and eBullitt grips, and a torque wrench with the relevant attachments. If you have silicone grips, cover one side of the handlebar where the grip will sit with hand sanitizer or rubbing alcohol. Also cover the inside of one grip. The alcohol will evaporate quickly, so immediately slide the grip onto the handlebars until the handlebars reach the end of the grip. This will take a bit of force. Insert the end cap and tighten with a 3mm hex key until hand tight. Repeat on the other side. Allow the rubbing alcohol to dry out for up to 4 hours until seized in place. For lock-on and eBullitt grips, take note of which side they go on. The slot in the bracket faces downwards. Slide them onto the handlebars as far as they will go, and you can adjust the angle to your comfort. Secure the lock-on or eBullitt grips in place with a 2.5mm or 3mm hex key to 3 Nm.